hear other people die?
Somebody else is beeping. Oh, you should ask her to put the window down. Put your window down. So she can take a picture of him beeping the horn.
I'm recording it.
Oh.
That'll be better. Beep it.